seems that postpaid segment has now emerged as the new battleground for telecom operators, as Reliance Jio finally forayed into the segment. The newly launched 5 postpaid plans are priced between Rs 399 to Rs 1499 and are offering several benefits. This clearly means that Jio will now compete in both prepaid and postpaid segment. So, if you are looking for the best postpaid plan amongst 3 private telecom operators like Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Jio, then you should go through this video once. Talk about the most affordable plan of Reliance Jio. The most affordable postpaid plan of Reliance Jio is available at Rs 399, where it ships 75 GB data per month. It includes 200 GB data rollover and unlimited calling for 1 month. It also ships content from leading apps like Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Prime Video, Jio TV, Jio Cinema and many more. The first plan of Airtel is available at Rs 499 and it ships 75 GB data every month, along with the data rollover facility. It also offers unlimited calling, messages and 1-year subscription of Amazon Prime, while Vodafone Idea plan is offering only 40 GB data. It includes data rollover facility, 100 messages, unlimited calling and V movies and TV subscription. This plan is also available at Rs 399. The second plan of Reliance Jio that will cost you Rs 599. It ships 100 GB data, messages and 200 GB data rollover facility. This plan also offers an additional SIM card, whereas the third plan is available at Rs 799, which comes with similar OTT benefit as it is offering with Rs 399. This plan also includes 150 GB data per month and 200 GB data rollover facility. On the other hand, Vodafone Idea postpaid plan will cost you Rs 499, where the telecom operator is offering 75 GB data and 1-year subscription of Amazon Prime worth Rs 399. Another plan that comes under the same segment is available at Rs 699 that offers unlimited data, 100 messages and Amazon subscription worth Rs 999, while Airtel postpaid plan is available at Rs 749 and it ships 125 GB data per month. It includes data rollover facility. This plan is also providing unlimited calling and a 1-year subscription of Amazon Prime. Postpaid plan from Reliance Jio is available at Rs 999, where you get subscription to all Jio apps, Amazon Prime videos, Netflix VIP subscription of Disney Plus Hotstar. This plan is also providing unlimited calling and messages. It also ships 200 GB data per month and 500 GB data rollover facility, where Airtel plan of Rs 999 ships 150 GB data every month and a data rollover facility for 1 month. It also includes unlimited calling and SMS. It also offers 1-year subscription of Amazon Prime. Whereas Vodafone Red X plan that is priced at Rs 1099 is providing unlimited data and calling. This plan is also providing access to Amazon Prime videos. Let's talk about plan of Rs 1499, where Jio is offering Netflix, Amazon Prime videos, Disney Plus Hotstar VIP subscription, unlimited calling and messages. The Reliance Jio plan of Rs 1499 is offering 300 GB data and 500 GB data rollover facility. Furthermore, the plan is offering unlimited data and voice in USA and UAE. The Airtel plan of Rs 1599 is offering unlimited data every month, unlimited calling and messages. It also ships Amazon Prime for 1 year. And now I'll tell you which postpaid plan is better. Despite the fact that telecom operators are offering similar pricing of the postpaid plan, Jio is still leading. It means Jio is still offering much more data than any other telecom operator. As far as content is concerned, Jio is again ahead from Airtel and Vodafone Idea. So, we would suggest you to choose Reliance Jio postpaid plans if you are looking for more data and content platforms. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot and thank you so much.